Let's start by creating a new workspace. You can name it your company's or your client company's name. Confirm the basic settings, invite your team members, and modify the chart of account. Once inside the new workspace, let's take a look at the chart of accounts, modify and add necessary categories before uploading any documents. We then go to AI hints to train Fyno AI. In natural language, guide Fyno on how you would like her to categorize your transactions. Here, I want Fyno to put all personal expenses such as groceries and entertainment under owner's draws. Having these rules in place early, before uploading any documents, will help Fyno understand your business and categorize transactions more accurately. To see Fyno in action, let's go to Expenses tab. You can upload all of your receipts and invoices here. At the same time, let's upload a bank statement to the Statements tab. In this demo, I'm using data of fictitious company in December 2024. Great, now Fyno has successfully extracted data from all the receipts and invoices. Let's take a look at one of them. As you can see, Fyno not only extracts all available data from the document, but also automatically categorizes each line item into the correct chart of accounts category and calculates the corresponding tax amounts. Let's take a look at the bank statement we uploaded earlier. Fyno automatically extracted every transaction and computed the closing balance for each day. Since no dates are flagged in the Discrepancy tab, you can see that the statement was processed with complete accuracy. We can now start reconciliation. Fyno AI automatically matches each transaction with available receipts and invoices, and categorizes every transaction into the correct chart of accounts category. Here you can see that Fyno has successfully reconciled 14 out of 15 transactions. The remaining transaction requires human review because it has a 65% confidence score. By default, Fyno uses an 85% confidence threshold for automatic categorization, but you can adjust this threshold up or down based on your comfort level. After you review and hit Reconcile, Fyno learns from your decisions. The next time you reconcile a statement, it becomes even faster and more accurate, just like having an AI that gets smarter with every use. Let's move on to the reports, starting with profit and loss. You can see that the December 2024 column is now populated with the reconciled data. Fyno also automatically generates the balance sheet, giving you instant insight into your financial health. On the Transactions tab, you'll see all reconciled transactions, including their categories and linked receipts or invoices. You can also chat with Fyno like a 24/7 bookkeeping assistant. For example, let's ask, what was the largest expense in December 2024? Fyno pulls data only from your current workspace to generate answers. There is no data sharing across workspaces, so if you manage multiple businesses or clients, each workspace remains fully isolated. Perfect, Fyno correctly found the largest expense of the month. Let's ask another question. This time, we'll look for any potential errors in transaction categorization. Fyno identified several transactions that were categorized as owner's draw based on the AI guidance provided earlier. However, it also flagged that these expenses could potentially be employee benefits, so it recommends confirming them with the business owner. This allows you to quickly review bookkeeping quality without manually checking every transaction.